Hello, I am Captain Starlight and you are watching Captain Starlight's Guide to Making a New Friend. Step 1. Find a potential target. Step 2. Wave at them. Step 3. Tell them your name and ask them their name. Hi, my name is Captain Wave. What is your name? Step 4. Look for something they're wearing or holding and ask a relevant question. For example, that's an awesome dinosaur shirt. What is your favorite dinosaur? Or, oh my goodness, that is the cutest Stitch plush toy. Are you excited for the new movie? Step 5. Invite them to do something fun with you. For example, I was just looking for someone to play Mario Kart with me. Would you be interested? Step 6. If they say yes, you hang out for a bit. Step 7. When they or you need to leave, you can say this. That was so much fun. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you next time. Bye! And that is how you make a cool new friend. I've been Captain Starlight and you've been absolutely awesome, and I'll see you next time. Bye!